What's going on, guys? It's Jake with Cody Manufacturing. I wanted to show you today how to mechanically drop the fill level. What we're going to be doing is adding spacers to our float ball and claw assembly inside the fill head. So if you pop under here real quick, you'll notice that each one of the fill heads has this float ball and claw. That float ball is what's deciding our fill level and when the fill actually stops in each can. So the way we're going to mechanically drop this is actually space it down. So why don't you go ahead and follow me over to the toolbox. It's a good pop. Alrighty, so you'll notice here on the toolbox I had a fill head that's taken apart. I have the cone, and then I have the float ball and claw assembly that we were just pointing out over on the machine. What I'm going to do is after removing it, I'm going to take about 4 washers. These are M8 washers. 5/16 washers will also work. I'm going to put them right on top of that valve stem, and then I'm going to take our cone, put it right on top there, and then we're going to screw that right in just like it was before. And anytime you're doing this, whether you're adding washers, taking washers out, or just doing some maintenance in general, you always want to tighten by hand as far as you possibly can to make sure you don't cross thread. I'm going to take my 5/8 socket and just give it that last little bit. And there we go. Now I've mechanically dropped the fill level in this fill head by bringing that float ball down.